Alright, changing the struts on a Geo Metro. You need 17 millimeter. Remove the 2 bolts. You need a 12 millimeter. Remove these 3 top bolts. For the brake line, just use a flathead screwdriver. Lift up these 2 tabs. Kind of pop it off that way. Alright, so once you loosen everything, the 2 17 bolts, loosen the brake line. Take off these 3 12 millimeter bolts. And then down it goes. Take these 2 out, and it's done. Alright, now that the spring is out, you get these spring compressors from O'Reilly. They're 60 bucks, and if you turn it, they give you your money back. Put these on, squish it down. Once you have the spring compressed, it's nice and loose. Grab a 17 millimeter. There you go. Alright, when you put the new one in, remember to put in the boot. And as you're putting it into the spring, the end of the spring goes right here. Make sure it slides all the way through. As you're putting back the top pieces, make sure you put the metal washer, the round bearings, another washer, the seal, the cap, and the screw. Just back on there. Big spider. It's okay. Put the long washer. Put the lid. For some reason it goes up. Alright, once it's all on there, tighten it back up. You might need to use a hex key to hold the inner rod, but we'll get it tight. It's on there. We'll tighten it up later. Make sure everything looks good. And start loosening up the spring. So once it's all assembled, just place it back into the car with the 12 millimeter bolt and line everything up. As far as the brake line, it's a little tricky, somewhat. You pull it around the back with the hose, pull through. Once it's in right there, you would place in the little lock. Yep, just push it right in and good to go. Alright, you put a hex key in there and then finish tightening it up. It's supposed to be a certain amount, so good and tight, should be fine. Alright, torque these down as well to who knows, and these as well, and you're good to go. Finish everything up in less than 10 minutes.